Students, I hope you all are doing fine. In last session, we learned about bar diagram and its types and also how to write the analysis. In this session, we will start with time-based line diagram. As you can see in the question, we are given about the decadal growth rate of population in percentage of different years. 1961-71 it was 24, 71-81 it was 25, from the year 1981 to 1991 it is 23, 1991 to 2001 it is 21, whereas the last one, that is from 2001 to 2011, it was 17. Now we will be making the x-axis and y-axis, and then we will take the scales. We can take the gap of 5, it will be proper. So our x-axis represents time period, whereas y-axis represents the decadal growth rate of population in percentages. Now very first year, that is 1961-71, it is 24. So on 24 I'll put a mark. In 71-81 it is 25, so I'll mark over there. In 1981 to 1991 it is 23, so I'll mark over there, and for rest of the two I'll mark in the same manner. Now after putting the dots, I am supposed to join all these dots with the help of scale and pencil. Then I'll write the heading that time-based line diagram showing the decadal growth rate of population in percentage. Also we are supposed to write the scale. Yes, we all know how to write the scale. Next we move on to our analysis part. Analysis, as we did earlier, our very first line of analysis will be what does the x-axis and y-axis represents. Y-axis represents decadal growth rate of population in percentage, whereas x-axis represents the time period, or years also we can write. Now we move on to the analysis main part. 1961-71 the population growth rate was 24%, whereas in the year 1971-81 the growth rate was 25%. So we can say that the population has increased. Now we can compare even the 1971-81 with the year 2001-2011. That is, it was 25 previously and now it is 17%. It means the population has reduced. And so on, we will do the comparisons. Next is pie diagram. We all know that in pie diagram we use the formula, that is degree equals to component value upon total value into 360. Now over here you see the question, it is related to percentage of money spent by an individual on different items. Items given are books, stationery, phone, food and clothes. The percentage of amount spent is 20, 5, 30, 30 and 15. So we first start with the calculation of degrees. Very first one, books. 20 into 360 divided by 100 equals to 72 degrees. 50 into 360 divided by 100 equals to 18 degrees, and so on we will do the calculations. So our very first step over here will be to make a circle. We are supposed to see that our circle is not that big, it is not that small. So after making the circle, we are supposed to start marking the degrees. Obviously we will need the protractor for that. So our very first step will be to see that the center of the protractor matches with the center of the circle. Now our very first degree is 72 degrees. So I'll mark 72 degrees by seeing matching the center, as I said to you people, till 72 degrees. So from where I have started, I am supposed to put a mark over there, a dot over there, in where I have and date, I'm supposed to put a dot over there. Then after that I'm supposed to see that both the dots are joined with the help of scale and they should meet the center of the circle. Now from where I have stopped, I'm supposed to start from there itself for my next, that is 18 degrees. I've stopped 72. At that place itself I'll start for 18 degrees. Where there are 18 degrees, I'll just see in my protector, mark over there once again, and then I will again as usual mark a dot over there, and then I will make a line connecting that dot with the center. Rest also I'll mark in the same manner. Over here again we are supposed to show the segregations. As I said, you can show the segregations with the help of different symbols you are supposed to use for each and every item. Then we are supposed to write the percentage over here, what was given to us in the question. Our next and important step over here is to write the analysis. Now over here we are supposed to write, our very first line is 360 degrees, make a circle. Now after that 360 degrees, make a circle, we are again supposed to compare the expenses that a person is incurring. Suppose I am comparing books with stationery, so I will write that a person spends a percentage 20 on books and on stationery 5. So the expense on stationery is less. So on we'll make the comparison. And yes students, don't forget to write the heading over here. Heading will be pie diagram showing the expenses incurred on various items by a person. So students, that's it with our first chapter. Thank you. Hope to see you soon.